let's begin. So my daughter was showing me this cool scar hack stuff, so I thought I would show you guys how we made it. Well, how she made it. So we went in with 4 scoops of flour, and then we went in with some Vaseline. So there's no like exact measurement, we sort of just eyeballed it. So we added the Vaseline, we mixed it up. Make sure that you know, go in there, get all the powder, the flour mixed in there. You can use your fingers, but we used the spoon. So it should look something like this. You don't want it too mushy, but you want it enough where you could play with it and, you know, blend it on your skin. So you can go in with however much you want and however less you want. It's honestly up to you what you like. So Nina's just showing here how it should be easy to like blend in your skin and stuff. She's so freaking creative, it blows my mind. So right here, she's just boom, cutting right there and doing a little scar. So I was like, hell yeah. So she's the reason for this inspiration look. Okay, so let's begin. Going in with my Morphe eyebrow pencil, I'm going to pencil in my eyebrows. I went in with a darker color, and I'm just going to fill the bottom, go in and fill the top. I actually like this color. After I was done doing my eyebrows, I was like, I should probably be using this color for my eyebrows because of how freaking nice they looked. So I just went in, filled in, and then I went in with the spoolie to blend the beginning of my brow, the front of my brow. Boom! Look how good it looked. I was like, oh, okay. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side of my eyebrows. You can do however you want your eyebrows. You could do them dramatic, you could do them cute, whatever. I just was like, okay, I'm going to do whatever. So this is the inspiration pic that my daughter made up for me, so I'm going to do it. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to just do looks that my kids want me to do. So I went in with a lip liner, red, and then I just start doing this all over my face. So the eyes, the lips, again, you could do whatever you want, but I'm doing Angelica's picture that she drew up. So I outlined everything first just because it helps me, and I can't really eyeball things, you know. So going in with the stuff that we made, I went in little rolls. I didn't want to go in with a lot because when you went in with a lot, it was more of a hassle. So I did a little roll, then stuck it on, and then I just started patting it down with my fingers. So again, a little roll, and then I just started blending it into my skin. And it worked so freaking awesome, you guys. I was really, really surprised because I'm used to like using latex and stuff like that, or the scar gel that you buy at like, you know, the spirit store and stuff. But this worked awesome. So I just went in and went over the outline on my face. So this was a little bit time consuming, but it definitely was freaking awesome. I liked it. And the kids kept popping in and out, seeing the outcome. It was pretty cool. So I just went in again, small sections, and then blended out my fingers. You can use a end of a pencil or a brush just to help smooth it out even more. But I felt like my fingers did a little bit of a good job. I did it later on, go in with, see, the end of a brush just to help smooth it out more. And it just made it more like blended in with my skin. It's pretty gross. Like, ugh. Watching it back, I'm like, ew. But yeah, so the lip area, I went in even smaller sections because they kept falling apart when I went in pretty thick. So I just went small sections, then went in with the end of the brush, and then just helped blend it into my skin. It's really cool how easy this adheres to your skin. Like, it's super easy. So I just went over my whole face, over here, blended. Okay, something freaking creepy happened, you guys. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna replay it with audio. It freaks me out. Yo, I'm so glad I did not notice it until me editing it now because it freaked me the F out. I would have just stopped. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Halloween palette, and I'm just going to just fill in everything that needs the red. So the eyes and the lips. So I'm just filling it in. This actually was a pretty cool color. I was like, damn, this is, it looks pretty cool. Like, I was actually really surprised. And what I liked is that these didn't stain my face. After I removed everything, it didn't stain it. So I was like, hell yeah. So now I'm going to go in with the brown and the red, mixing those two together. And I'm just going to go in and just apply it just right there, like in the edges. So it gives it some definition, some contrast. Trying to sound all cool. But no, for real, it really does help. Now going with my Fenty foundation, I'm just going to apply this all over my face with the foundation brush. And I'm going to go over lightly, okay, lightly our scars, just very, very lightly. Don't go in and just rub it all crazy because you're just going to remove all the hard work. So just go over it very, very lightly and it shouldn't even budge. Like, it just stays put, which is freaking awesome. So take your time. Don't rush when you're doing this step. Now I'm going to go in with those two colors again, and we're just going to add it on the outside. I just want to, and the inside, I just want it to look nasty. I just want it to look gross. So I'm just going to go in and just add it in the areas, going with a little finger tap, all that. Now going in with my Morphe eyebrow palette, I'm just going to just contour my face because I feel like I can't finish this look without some contour. So I went in with like the red tones and just added a little boom, boom, boom. Now going in with this red shade from the Stacey Marie palette. This was the perfect red, you guys. Perfect red for this. So I'm just going to go in and again, fill everything in just to make it pop and make it look gross. So you can use whatever red eyeshadow palette you guys have. I went in with this one and it worked perfect. Now going in with this deep wine shade, we are just going to just add it right there, like in the creases and stuff, just to give it some definition so that when we add the fake blood, it just looks nice. Like, it just looks good, you know? So now going in with this fake blood scab. This stuff is so freaking good, you guys. You just goop it on your brush, okay? And I just placed it. And it's so cool because it drips dry. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it was just cool. Like, it didn't just like run down my face. Like, it wasn't running, you know? Well, it's scab blood, you know? So I just placed it in the areas that I wanted. Pretty much was just those two eyes and my lips. But I kept doing a lot of like drips because I just liked how it looked, the effect that it gave and stuff. Be careful when you guys get close to the eyeball. I messed up, okay? And I got some in my eye and it hurts. It hurts. So just be very, very careful when you're doing this step. So I'm just going to go in the rest, fill it all in, make it as gross. Again, be very careful when you get close to the eye. Don't be a pendeja. I popped on some white contacts, you guys. Look how cool it looked. I was like, oh, it really, really made the look. Alrighty, love. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And this was super freaking easy to do. Super easy. So if you guys are like, I don't know what to do, I don't know, go scary. Have fun with it. And yeah, I feel like everything that I used was super duper affordable, and I feel like it really just makes the whole everything just pop, and it just looks so freaky, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep up to my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.